Recording. Hey guys, it's me, Trent Lover, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the J and Z trains. Guys, why not? You've taken the J train, right? Taking the Z. I've taken the J train multiple times, and I think I've taken the Z train multiple times, too. So, 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 yeah. Let's look at J and Z train clips, shall we? Now, where was it? It was this one. It was this one. It was this one. Okay, here it is. Here's a clip of Z train action in Cypress Hills. I'm gonna skip to where the train's coming. So, here it is. That's an R160 J train. You know what? Make it a little more clear. R160 J train. Yeah, J train approaching Cypress Hills. That's the J. Okay, so now that's the J train. Okay, we're gonna exit out of this. What we're gonna do is now search up Z train. Now we're gonna search up the Z train. Oh, we're gonna go look. Yeah, we're gonna look at this one. Rush hour JMZ line action with R143 Z train. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, so now you can see that is an R143 Z train approaching Fulton Street. Look at that, it looks like its terminal is Broad Street.
This is the Broad Street bound local train. The next and last stop is Broad Street.
Look at that. Watch the part 2. Now the do not enter cross tracks and swing like that. Okay, so the Z train has departed Fulton Street. Now we can exit out of this too. Let's go to the Wikipedia page. Wikipedia page. You know what? Look now. Here's the J train. Here's a J's bullet, and here's a Z's bullet. Now that's an R179 J train. An R160. Well, that's an R179 J train approaching Fulton Street. Flushing Avenue. And that's an R143 Z train at Chambers Street. An R160 Z train at Chambers Street. There's the map. The J train goes from Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer to Broad Street. The Z is basically an express version of the J. It goes express from Marcy, Myrtle. Well, the J in peak directions, the J train goes express in both directions from Marcy to Myrtle, and if it's going to Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer, Myrtle to Marcy. So that's it about this J, and Z is basically just an express version. It goes express from Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer to Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer to Broad Street Express. Now, if we look at this, we can see exactly what stops. If you look at the J and Z timetable, So it goes express from 120. So the Z, it goes express from 121st Street to Marcy Avenue. That's the amount. That's when the Z. That's when the Z train goes express from 121st Street in Queens to Marcy Avenue in Brooklyn. Now, yeah, that's the J and Z's time. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I didn't even know that it was in Lincoln at the time too. But yeah, from 121st Street to Marcy Avenue. So go back there. So the J and the Z uses his R160s and R179s. Doesn't use R179s anymore because they got taken out of service for door problems and whatever. And yeah, uh, and the J and the Z trains are held in East New York Yard. That's right underneath Broadway Junction train station. So yeah, that's the J and the Z. That's the J and the Z. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe, please. So yeah, that's basically it with the. Oh, and on weekends the Z train does not run. The Z train does not run on weekends. It only works on weekdays. And when the Z train's not working on the weekends, the J train's terminal is Chambers Street, not Broad Street. It's Chambers Street. Only on the weekends only. On weekdays, its terminal is Broad Street. So yeah, that's basically it about the J and the Z. So if you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, smash a like and subscribe. So yeah, that's it about the J and the Z train. Okay, see you in the next video.